Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up division. First, understand that division involves three main parts: the dividend, divisor, and quotient. The dividend is the number being divided, the divisor is the number doing the dividing, and the quotient is the answer. Learning to correctly place these numbers is the first step to solving any division problem efficiently. When setting up long division, the dividend always goes inside the division bracket. Think of it as the number that's being shared or split. The divisor, which is the number you are dividing by, sits outside and to the left of the bracket. This specific placement is crucial for organizing your work and ensuring you can follow the steps correctly. The quotient is your answer to the division problem. As you perform the division steps, you will write each digit of the quotient directly above the dividend, aligning it with the correct place value. For example, if you're dividing into the tens place, your quotient digit goes above the tens digit. This keeps your work organized and easy to read. Consistent practice is key to mastering division. Try working through various problems to build your confidence and speed. A great way to check your work is to multiply your quotient by the divisor. If you get the original dividend, your answer is correct. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Happy dividing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.